Hi there! Welcome to... alright, I need to find a new intro. No more of this. How about instead? Let's try this. Hi there! Welcome to No. How about this? Hi there! Welcome to ShoBeaRo. It'll do. Thanks for joining us. Do you know what time it is? Craft time! What shall we do today? How about clay? Ooh, this'll be fun. I've never done clay before. Here's what you're going to need. Polymer clay. I picked light brown and glitter fuchsia. Something to roll your clay with, something to cut your clay with, and something to poke your clay with. And some glitter. I feel like I'm going to regret that choice. A paintbrush and varnish. Are you ready? Let's create. Make sure you have a flat, clean surface to work on. Then go ahead and open your polymer clay. This should not be this hard. Hold on, almost got it. A little bit more. Maybe. Seriously? I am an adult. I can do this. I can do this! This is gonna get messy, isn't it? Take a piece of the polymer clay and start forming a ball. There you go, a little ball. Now squish that ball. We're gonna squish it and pat it into a little donut. Pat, form, and there's your donut. Now grab a tool and create the hole in the donut. Create whatever donut hole size you would like. You've just finished the base of your donut. That was easy. Now let's work on the icing. Create another ball, and this time use your rolling tool to flatten it. Place your donut on top, grab your cutting tool, and cut out a circle. To form the icing shape may seem difficult, but it's not. Just follow along. Cut pieces out of the circle so it looks like a flower. Then start to smooth the edges out with your fingers. Take as much time as you need. Go ahead and use a smoothing tool if you have one. When you're done forming the icing, go ahead and put it on top of your donut base. Start to smooth out the edges again of the icing on top of the donut. When you're done, go ahead and poke a hole in the icing to complete the donut hole. If you want to add sprinkles to your donut, just grab a little glitter and dab. I knew this was going to get messy. Glitter is everywhere. There you go, a sprinkled covered donut. This is so cute. I really enjoyed working with polymer clay. What do you guys think I should make next time? It's super fun, but I have it under my nails. When you're satisfied with your donut, follow the baking instructions. Once it's done baking and has cooled, go ahead and get your varnish and glaze the icing. Varnish is so sticky. Ooh, this looks so yummy. And no one saw a thing. Dab. No one will ever know. This is so cute and so yummy. I love it, and I can't believe how simple it was. So simple, I made 2 more while the first one was cooking. This one's my favorite. I don't know about you, but I'm kind of hungry now. This was so much fun. Thanks for joining me. Check me out on social media. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with family and friends, and as always, comment below. You keep smiling and stay awesome. Bye!